Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, or this video will be a really short one, just pretty much announcing the winner. So I'm just gonna get logged in real quick, and I'll send you guys, or I will do the spinner thing. Those of you that is that has been entered. I got you all in. And I accidentally just hit the spin thing because I was trying to like get all like the notifications and everything. So those of you that had entered in the giveaway earns these James Charles eye brushes. You get the eye brush set, 13-piece brush collection with a custom tubby. So that is what you get. You get the Manny Muo palettes, the Bloodless palette, and some lippies. So here are two lipsticks called Whipped and Smother. They look like nudes. One's a dark nude and a light nude. These are cream lipsticks you will get. And then Suspect and Mood is your next thing, and these are liquid lipsticks, matte liquid lipsticks. My lucky winner that I accidentally pushed, but I'm not going to re-push it because that's not fair. But those are the winner that gets that. Or who the winner is will receive those items. So I'm sorry guys, it's hot and I'm tired. I'm going to get ready to go to bed because it's been a long day. I go back to work tomorrow to Friday, and I will do a video on Saturday. I want to try to do an unboxing Friday night when I get home, and then do maybe a makeup video on Saturday. I don't know. I have no idea. But what else? I'm really tired. But I'll write down like a little bit of a schedule on this video in the description when I get off of here. But just so you guys know, the winner is Yoleni Reynoso. You are the winner, so congratulations. Cannot say my congratulations right. I'm happy that you were able to win this. And those of you that are still subscribed to my channel, I still really appreciate you guys being subscribed. If you guys still want to continue on with my journey, I hope for you guys to be still on there. I'm still doing giveaways. Next month I have been thinking about doing a I was thinking about doing 2 giveaways. So a makeup giveaway and also a workout stuff giveaway. Haven't fully decided on either of them yet, but give me till next month and I will be able to do that. And then I think in August will be my last giveaway until after the baby's born, or at least by 2021 will be my last. Next month will be the last giveaway probably. I haven't decided yet, so don't quote me on this. It's just thoughts, just because I want to make sure that I'm ready for the baby, and just trying to save up some money a little bit. So if anyone has any questions, make sure that you guys drop those questions down below in the comments. I was thinking about doing BH Cosmetics giveaway next month, but I still haven't really decided on that one. I'm still kind of like looking. And I kind of know what I'm going to do as for the workout stuff. Like a water bottle and like a few other things. So, yeah. Alright, so Yeleni again, congratulations. I will email you, or if you have Instagram, my Instagram page will be on there, so you can message me. But other than that, I would, I can email you. It's whichever one you want to do. If anyone is, if you are, yeah, I'll give you the details when we're in contact. So congratulations, and I hope everyone has a good night. Make sure that you guys continue to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Everything is appreciated, and thank you all for my birthday wishes, and I will see you guys soon. I'm thinking on Sunday I'm going to do a skincare video, so look out for that if you guys want to do that. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.